What are you doing on here? What are you doing on the bed? Hmm?
Go. We're going to sleep.
We're going to sleep. We are going to... where are we? Granada. And apparently it's really easy to get free tapas when you get a drink everywhere here, like proper good tapas, you know, like substantial. So we're going to go and test this theory out. Go to a couple of places, buy a drink, see how much free food we can get. No way.
Right, so we just got out of the van. We're in Granada and we're on our way for a date night, and Alex is looking like this. So that's in between his toes.
Oh! What?
Which he didn't know about. Turn around. So we're going back to change.
I've sorted my pants out. Still look like a jippo, but at least no one can see my buttocks. So we're just looking for a little tapas place now. They're all from something. What is that plant eaty face thing from? What's his name, huh?
𝐁𝐥𝐥.
What's that plant eat face thing?
It's not Stranger Things, is it?
Yeah.
Is it though?
I don't know. There's Rick.
Yeah. So we're having a drink. Red wine. I'm waiting now if they're gonna give us free food. I don't think they will though. Do you?
No. I don't think it works.
I've seen it.
I spoke too soon. So that was €6.40 for 2 glasses of wine. Nice wine as well, actually. And a little dish of dolphin potatoes. What do you call them? Dolphin potatoes. Dauphinoise potatoes.
It was loose tortilla with peppers and some sort of ham you had in it, didn't you?
Yeah.
And a plate of olives and pickles.
So, pretty cool. We're going to try somewhere else now. It's not working at this one, is it? We got the vino. Got no tapas. Stay strong, stay strong. So we're trying to work this out properly because so the menu has got
there's prices on all the products, but when you go to Tapas, there's no prices.
Right, so we worked it out. You just have to ask for it. The place we went to before, they just kind of dished it out, but this one, you actually pick off the menu which tapas you want, and you get one with each glass of wine or beer or anything. Pretty cool, no? Last one of the night, before we're too pissed. That's how you get free food in Granada and other places in Andalusia as well, I think. But Granada's meant to be the main place for it.
And if you want to get it cheaper, just order a small beer.
And it's nice food as well. That last place was the nicest, but one thing I do notice is it's really salty. And you have to get quite pissed to fill yourself up. But that's not such a negative, is it? So, now we've got to find Joyce. And it's generally a nice city. The only problem is there's no sea, there's no coast. But in the winter, very close to Sierra Nevada, so I think in the winter we're going to come here for a couple of months and do a bit of snowboarding. Si, señorita? Señora?
Si, chico.
Cool. Hasta luego. Buenas noches.
The next day.
We're trying to get to a real hot springs this time, not getting done over by the fake one we found in
Valencia.
We're trying to get to a real one, but it's looking bad. I don't think we can go up there. Maybe we'll go left here, look. I mean, it's got to go somewhere.
I don't think this is a good idea. We'll have a look on the map.
There you go, that's better, huh?
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much.
We finally found some real hot springs. It's like, it's hot in there, real. Oh, don't drink it. No. Okay, bye.
All I ever need is here with you. This place where we can go.
Bueno, Zeus.
No Poe, no Poe.
Poe, leave it, Poe.
Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. This place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just...
After chilling for a couple of days up at the hot springs, we got back on the road, which was really exciting because we're now only 3 hours away from Tarifa.
like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that
I killed Mufasa.